Instantly receiving free PayPal money is a fantastic method to supplement your weekly budget. And in most circumstances, all you have to do is go about your normal business to get the funds in your PayPal account. To get this free money, you may be required to answer a few questions. That said, it's effortless to do this whenever you'd otherwise be delayed, such as when you're scrolling through Instagram with your laptop open. So watch this video till the end where we answer a bonus question and find out how to earn $40 every 10 minutes into your PayPal account. Participate in online surveys as a survey junkie. Survey Junkie is a well-known and highly trusted survey platform. You'll get free PayPal money just for giving your honest feedback on companies' products and services, which will help them improve their products and services. The advantage of Survey Junkie is that you can start earning money right now. Survey Junkie matches surveys to your profile, and each survey gives you an estimate of how much time you'll need to complete it, and how many points you'll be able to earn. This will allow you to maximize your profits by participating in the surveys you're interested in. You might earn anything from 100 to 300 points for each survey you complete. Some longer surveys lasting more than an hour may provide you with up to 1,000 points. You can cash your winnings via PayPal or gift cards for every 100 points you earn. My Points. Earn rewards for doing online tasks. Another outstanding reward site is My Points. It has been in operation for more than 25 years and has paid out more than $200 million to its subscribers. While My Points is primarily a survey site, it allows you to earn points by viewing movies, playing games, and purchasing online. These points can then be exchanged for free PayPal cash. You can get up to 7 surveys every day and earn up to $16.66 per survey. You can also get cash back when you shop online. Depending on the merchant, you will receive a varied amount of money back. Walmart, eBay, and Amazon, among others, are among the retail partners. While the amount of money paid for gift cards is $10, you'll need to accrue $25 in PayPal funds before you can request a payment. In addition, withdrawals through PayPal can take up to 5 days. Instacart, a service that allows you to shop for others. Can you believe you can make at least $11 per hour doing grocery shopping? Instacart is a grocery delivery service that pays you in various ways. You can choose to become a full-service shopper, which means you'll be able to take orders on your smartphone, shop, and deliver to the customer. Become an in-store shopper as an alternative. This entails shopping for the customer's order, but someone else will handle the delivery. While this is technically a side job, it could be a wonderful way to supplement your income if you already spend a lot of time in your local grocery store. Instacart employees may expect to make at least $11 per hour. To become a full-service shopper, you must be 18 years old, have access to a vehicle, and pass a background check. Participate in a market research forum with Univox. Univox is one of the most popular market research platforms with over 3 million subscribers. Univox is unique among survey sites since it has an active forum with community news, group conversations, and contest announcements. You can earn free PayPal money and other benefits by actively participating on the network. Each month, the top forum participants can win up to 600 points or $6 on the platform's leaderboard. Instead of feeling like a lone survey taker, the corporation wants you to feel like a community member. The site also includes a live chat function for contacting customer service or conversing with other users. Grab Points. Get paid for giving feedback. Grab Points allows participants to complete easy tasks online, such as online surveys, in exchange for free PayPal money. When you complete surveys, you will receive points worth $0.50 to a few dollars, depending on how long the survey takes. Other responsibilities include watching videos and signing up for special offers. You can redeem your profits after you reach $3 or save them up for a larger payoff. Grab Points processes incentives in a timely manner. As a result, your PayPal payment should arrive within 48 hours. Grab Points platform is also quite adaptable. It's incredibly responsive whether you're using a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone to access the site. This makes it quite simple to earn money while at home or on the go. Next up, we have Missed Play, a site where you can get money by playing games. Missed Play is a terrific way to acquire free PayPal money if you enjoy playing games. You can get paid for your time and feedback by playing games and completing a short questionnaire. You'll be able to see a list of available games once you've registered. To obtain your gift, you must complete particular achievements or play for a certain time. When you hit these milestones, you'll get a misplay message asking for comments or responses to game questions. For each game, you can earn up to 200 points. You can get a $5 payback reward once you get 1,500 points. However, you must be at least 18 years old to join this site. As a result, this app is not ideal for earning free PayPal money by teens. Get cash back on online purchases with Be Frugal. Another site where you can get cash back for your internet purchases is Be Frugal. Over 5,000 retailers, including Target, Walmart, and Amazon, have partnered with the platform. There are also printable coupons, offers, and deals available. A browser extension is also available for the platform. This will notify you of any cashback chances on websites you visit, and it will apply any coupons you have at the time of checkout. Be Frugal gives you up to 40% cashback on your purchases. Each time you make a qualifying online purchase, you will receive rewards in your account. You can request a PayPal payment, direct deposit, check, or gift card once you've earned $25. Point Club. Participate in online surveys and provide feedback. As the name suggests, you can earn money ranging from 20 cents to $2 per survey you complete. Imagine being rewarded for simply offering feedback. That is precisely what the Point Club accomplishes. Point Club is a survey platform that allows users to earn points for taking part in surveys. Each survey might earn you anywhere from 200 to 2,000 points. And because each point is worth $0.0001, you'll need to collect 10,000 points to earn $10. These points can then be exchanged for PayPal cash. You can also get a 5,000 point bonus if you join as a new member. You can request a $50 PayPal payout once you reach 50,000 points. Alternatively, for 25,000 points, you can purchase a gift card. Paribus. Get refunds for price differences. Nothing is more aggravating than purchasing an item only to realize that the price has dropped a few days later. However, Paribus can assist you in this situation. The app connects to your email account so that it can keep track of your purchases and get reimbursements whenever the retail price of one of your things drops. You can also scan in your purchase receipts. If you recently purchased an item for which there's a lower price, the Paribus app will immediately negotiate a refund for the differences. These refunds can then be redeemed for PayPal currency. The best part is that Paribus doesn't charge any fees for this service. You get to keep 100% of your savings. Anyone above the age of 18 is welcome to join the app. With that, we conclude our video. We see a lot of you question if one can really get free PayPal money. The answer is yes. You can get free PayPal money nearly immediately. These survey sites give sign-up incentives and allow you to start taking surveys right away with small cash-out amounts. And you may come back anytime and look for this video if you need help. Time for a bonus question. How can I get a free $100 PayPal balance? On PayPal, there are a variety of ways to get $100 for free. The majority of the apps on this list will give you $10 for free if you participate actively. Prize Rebel is one of the finest websites for getting $100 free in under 2 months. An active user on Prize Rebel can earn up to $50 each month. As a result, you'll just need to spend 2 months performing tasks on the app regularly to receive $100 in free PayPal money. At the same time, you may want to check out Healthy Wage if you're going to get $100 in PayPal for free simply by losing weight.